Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is School Kid Asking Dad for Help with Studies.
Listen, read, and then repeat.
Excuse me, Dad, are you busy with something? Yes, I'm occupied with my office work. You look perplexed. Is there any problem? Actually, I have a math test tomorrow, and I am not prepared yet. Oh, I see. But that shouldn't be a problem for you. You still have sufficient time to prepare for it. Yes, I do, but I needed your help. No problem. Go fetch your books. Thanks, Dad. Show me the chapters you are having doubts with. This entire chapter of fractions seemed to be a puzzle for me. Never mind, I will explain you. Great, I comprehend all of it now. It wasn't as difficult as I had thought earlier. Are you sure? You can always double check for any other doubts. I'm certain I understood it completely. But I think I need a bit of clarity on multiples. Can you please explain this too? Of course, son. Let's get to it. I guess I am a bit confused with its formulas. Can you write me a few sums? I'll try solving them. Sure, here you go. Solve these three sums. If you find any difficulty solving these sums, I'm here to help. Let me know. Okay, Dad. You get only 10 minutes to solve them. I'm done, Dad. Please check if I solved them correctly. Okay, let me have a look. I'm not very sure about the third solution, but the first two I'm confident I got them right. I'm afraid you didn't. In the first two solutions, you missed to carry forward these numbers on the next step. Oh, how could I miss such a simple thing? Sometimes I'm really bad at it. Not really. You need to practice regularly. Mathematics is a subject where perfection comes only with regular practice. Well, I get it now, Dad. Hope I was able to help you. Or you still think that you are not prepared enough? No, Dad, everything is clear. Finally, I am prepared for tomorrow's test. I'm so glad. That's good. And I'm sure this time too you will score an A+. Yes, Dad, I will. Thanks once again for coming to my rescue. All the best for your test. Love you, Dad.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email, and then like and share my videos within your network.